Hi, to turn on USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to go in the phone settings and from here choose About Phone tab. After that, scroll a bit down, tap Software Information, and now we need to tap 7 times on Build Number to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we need to draw a pattern or enter pin code or passcode, depending on yours, and allow development settings. And now it has been turned on. To find it, go back in main settings, scroll a bit down, and now developer options appears under About Phone tab. Choose it, scroll down again, and here is USB debugging. To enable, just tap on the switcher and tap OK. And now the switcher is blue, so USB debugging is on, and now you can easily connect your USB devices. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.